Everyone, this is Miss Sara, and today we are going to draw a pilgrim boat. I'm so excited to get to show you this with Thanksgiving coming up and all. So let's get started. Get a fresh new piece of paper. Here we go. Now we're going to start with some guidelines, and here I have a green marker so you can see when I am drawing lightly. We're going to draw a line across our paper so we can have a guideline for our boat. There we go. And then just a line straight up and down so we can have some guidelines of where we're placing everything. Now remember, just use a light touch for your pencil at the beginning, and then you can erase at the end. Now we're going to draw a line right across here on our paper. Now this line is going to actually be on this center line. This is going to be the top part of our boat. There, now you can see my line, and it's going to have a curve that comes down here at the bottom. It's going to be a nice U shape that's very stretched out. There we go. Perfect. So now this is the beginning of our boat. Now on either side of this middle line, we're going to have a mast, and the mast just goes straight up, and this one goes almost to the top of your paper. Now the one that you draw on this side is going to be a little bit shorter, just like that. Now we're going to draw a rectangle on this side, and it's going to come down just below the middle line, and it's going to come into our boat, right about there, and then up, and finish the rectangle. Perfect. Now here, we're going to have a triangle shape. It's going to come and be right here on this guideline actually. I'm going to bring it out, and then it's going to come back in, and that is going to be the front part of our boat. Now we're going to do the sails, and the sails are just very fun. So here at the top we're going to draw a triangle because it's going to be blowing in the wind here, just like that. And then this one's going to be a little smaller, like that. Now the sails, they're going to be rectangle shapes, just like this one. And over here you're going to start at the top, and it's going to be a small rectangle shape. It's going to be right across there. I'm going to draw a bottom line like that. And then the sides. Perfect. Now this one's going to be a little bit larger. Just a little bit. Bring it down, not quite touching the boat. There we go. Now we have a sail. Now we're going to do the same on this side. It's going to be a small one at the top. There we go. Now a little bit larger. And this one's going to come all the way to the center line. There, now that is the guidelines for our boat. Now I'm going to color or draw where we are going to keep the lines. Now we are going to keep this line here, the mast. It's going to come straight down. There we go. I'm going to keep this one. And then I am going to do something special with these sails. I'm going to draw the line across the top, of course, and the line across the bottom. But then here, so it looks like there's wind in the sails, I'm going to draw this a curve right here. Looks like the wind is blowing, and here's another curve. Now it looks like it's blowing full of wind. I'm going to do the same on this one. Draw the top line and the bottom line, and then a curve and a curve. There, that looks great. Now we'll just draw a triangle. Now we're going to do the same on this side. Draw the top and the bottom, and then make it fill with wind. Look how nice that is. And this is a boat that maybe some pilgrims might be in. And draw a curve. And it's just like a backwards C shape. Then your flag. It's lovely, blowing in the wind there. Now this part, the rectangle shape, you're not going to draw this line in here. So we're going to start here, go up, and then across, and down, and in, and then I'm going to stop right there because I'm not going to draw that. Now I'm going to draw straight across for the top of the boat, and it's going to come all the way over here to the triangle, and in. I'm not going to draw this part here. Now, there are waves in the ocean, and our boat is going to rest nicely in the waves, so it's going to be nice like that. And then I bring the line down so it can rest in the water. There we go. And there you have a boat. Now you can add a few more things like waves, and you can put some windows across, just small circles all the way across the boat. There we go. Lovely. Now don't forget to sign your name. I hope you all have a wonderful, magical Thanksgiving. There we go. Thank you for posting all of your lovely pictures. I love seeing what you all do. You're all so very talented, and I can't wait to have our next class. Thank you. Goodbye.